New at 6, Toledo is being sued after a police chase in February of 2022 inadvertently led to the death of a bystander. The lawsuit is taking aim at the practices of the Toledo Police Department's chases, claiming their tactics have led to numerous innocent injuries and deaths.
Melissa, that'd be the estate of one Muhammad Saware, a first-generation American immigrant who was hit and killed by a driver being chased by TPD 2 years ago. Today, I spoke to the lawyer representing Saware's case, Charles Boyk, who says that TPD needs to reevaluate how they chase people and who is worth chasing so that more people like Saware don't get killed. The very first line of the Toledo Police Department's pursuit policy states, "A vehicle pursuit shall be terminated whenever the danger of the pursuit outweighs the immediate consequences of the subject's escape." Charles Boyk, personal injury attorney, says Muhammad Saware's untimely death happened because officers involved in the February 22 incident didn't follow that policy.
It almost seemed like a bunch of Keystone cops in this situation, and we believe the behavior was reckless.
The night started with a traffic violation. Court documents shared by Boyk state that 35-year-old Michael Jackson was pulled over in West Toledo for driving without headlights on. But instead of stepping out of the car, Jackson decided to run. 4 police cars gave chase, pursuing Jackson for 9 minutes.
Going through red lights, going through stop signs, going on lawns, going up to 113 miles per hour.
2 of the 4 cruisers blew their engines, and the other 2 collided into each other. Meanwhile, Jackson lost control of his vehicle, flying over an embankment and killing Saware, an immigrant from Mali and a U.S. veteran, who at the time of his death was saving up money to bring the rest of his family over to the States.
Now they have no way of even coming to the United States. So their life has been impacted. Besides the emotional impact, their whole future has basically been destroyed.
Jackson reached a plea deal and was sentenced to 12 years in prison. But Boyk says this one incident also highlights a larger problem in the Toledo Police Department as well, saying the department's own data shows that in 2022, 1 in 3 chases led to a crash. And between 2021 and 2022, of the department's 341 pursuits, there were 117 accidents, 95 injuries, and 5 deaths. Now Boyk says they want to get restitution for Saware's family and bring more accountability to the Toledo Police Department.
We think if there's some public pressure or some court intervention, that maybe we could force the city of Toledo to do the right thing and protect the people.
The law may be different in this case because it was Ohio and California. Generally speaking, the police are immune from this kind of thing. Yes, that's right. So if they're in high-speed pursuit, there is police immunity. However, in order for that to have that immunity, there's certain training that must be done for the police officers. Most of the time it's every year, and there's a whole bunch of rules and policies that they have to follow. They also can't engage in high-speed pursuits for certain kinds of crimes. Generally it's going to be felonies and things where the public is at danger. I can't even remember all the rules on it at the moment. But if they violate their own policies or they don't get the training and follow the rules that they have in place for them and hurt a third party, they will be held liable. And again, you're suing a city and a police department, which they're going to put up a pretty good fight. They've got, their own attorneys that are, employees of those departments. And, they have generally, municipalities have quite a bit of money, so they will fight it. So if you're going to get involved in something like this, you absolutely need an attorney who's done it before. Certainly we could always help you. Call us if you're involved in something like this. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And while you're down there, please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.